Have you ever wondered why some people bloom later than others? Why your efforts seem invisible even when you try your best? Why life seems slow, like nothing is happening? Well, let me tell you a story. It's a story about patience, persistence, faith, and growth. A story that might sound simple at first, but holds a secret that could change how you see your own journey. This is not just a story about a seed and soil. It's a story about you. It's a tale for anyone who has ever felt stuck, left behind, or unsure if their hard work will ever pay off. So, take a deep breath, sit comfortably, let go of comparisons, let go of doubts, because what you're about to hear might just unlock the most powerful part of yourself, the part that's waiting quietly, like a seed in the dark, ready to grow tall and strong. Let's begin. Part 1. The Farmer's Dream. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by green hills and flowing rivers, lived a humble farmer named Tao. Tao was not rich. He didn't have fancy clothes or a big house, but he had something special, a dream. He dreamed of growing a beautiful bamboo forest. Not just any bamboo. He had heard of the Chinese bamboo tree, a plant so rare and special that people traveled miles just to see it. The tree was known for one incredible thing. Once planted, it does not grow at all for the first 4 years. Nothing happens. No leaves, no stem, no sign of life. But in the 5th year, something magical occurs. In just 6 weeks, the bamboo shoots up over 80 feet into the sky. 80 feet? His friend laughed. That's impossible. If I don't see results in a week, I quit. But Tao was not like his friend. He smiled and said, "Some things grow underground first. Just because you don't see growth doesn't mean it's not happening." So Tao planted the seed. Every day he watered it. Every day he removed weeds. Every day he believed in the seed. Year 1 passed. Nothing grew. Year 2, still nothing. Year 3, his neighbors laughed. "You're wasting your time." Year 4, even Tao began to worry. Am I being foolish? But he kept going. He stayed faithful. He kept believing. And then... Part 2. The Breakthrough. In the 5th year, something incredible happened. Tao woke up one morning, walked to the field, and there it was. A tiny green shoot pushing out from the ground. Just a few inches, but enough to make Tao's heart race. "Finally!" he cried, tears in his eyes. Day by day, the bamboo shot higher and higher. 5 feet, 10 feet, 20, 30, until it became the tallest plant in the village. His neighbors were shocked. "How did this happen so fast?" they asked. Tao smiled gently and replied, "It didn't happen fast. It took 5 years and 6 weeks. "But we saw nothing," they said. "That's because the bamboo was growing roots," Tao explained. "Deep roots, strong roots. Without them, it would fall with the first wind." The villagers were silent. Then one man said, "You were patient when others gave up. You had faith when others laughed. You believed when there was nothing to see." Tao nodded. That's what growth really is. Part 3. The Lesson of the Bamboo. This story isn't just about a farmer. It's about you. Maybe right now you're working hard to learn English. You read, you listen, you practice, but you don't feel like you're improving. You still make mistakes. You still feel nervous speaking. And you wonder, am I wasting my time? The truth is, you're growing roots. Just like the bamboo, your progress is happening beneath the surface. Every word you learn, every sentence you try to say, every video you watch, it's building your foundation. It may not feel fast, it may not look impressive, but growth is not always visible. Sometimes the biggest changes are silent. Remember, real growth is invisible at first. Patience is powerful. Success is built slowly, quietly, deeply. This doesn't just apply to English. It applies to your dreams, your healing, your goals, your journey. Too many people stop at year 1 or year 2. They look for quick results. When they don't see them, they quit. But not you. You are here, still learning, still listening, still growing. And one day, your moment will come. Like Tao's bamboo, your breakthrough will surprise everyone. Part 4. How to build your roots. So, what can you do while you wait for your breakthrough? Here are 5 things you can learn from the bamboo. 1. Water yourself daily. Tao watered the seed every day. You must do the same for yourself. Practice English daily. Even 10 minutes counts. Read, speak, listen, think in English. Each drop adds to your growth. 2. Remove the weeds. Weeds are negative thoughts. I'm not smart. I'll never be fluent. It's too late. Pull them out. Replace them with truth. I'm learning. I'm growing. My time will come. 3. Stay in the soil. Don't quit. Don't give up just because results are slow. Keep showing up. Your efforts are working. You just can't see the roots yet. 4. Trust the process. The bamboo trusted nature's timing. You must trust yours. Your progress may not be like someone else's, and that's okay. Everyone has a different season of blooming. 5. Celebrate the small shoots. When you remember a word, when someone understands you, when you understand a movie, celebrate it. Small wins are signs that your bamboo is breaking through. Part 5. The Zen of Growth. In Zen wisdom, there's a saying, sitting quietly, doing nothing, spring comes and the grass grows by itself. Sometimes we rush, we push, we stress, but true growth often happens in stillness. Let this story of the bamboo remind you to be kind to yourself. Respect your pace. Stop comparing your life to someone else's. Maybe someone speaks better English than you. Maybe they have more confidence, but they are not you. Your journey is your own. You're not late. You're growing underground. You're not behind. You're building strength. You're not lost. You're just in a quiet season. And guess what? Quiet seasons prepare us for great transformations. So when your moment comes, and it will, you will rise strong, tall, unshakable, not because you rushed, but because you waited, you worked, you believed, just like the bamboo. My dear listener, Your life is like the bamboo forest. Right now, you may be in the dark soil of growth, but don't give up. You're growing roots that the world can't see yet. Keep going. Because one day soon the world will see your strength, your skills, your voice, and they'll say, "Wow, how did this happen so fast?" And you'll smile, just like Tao, because you'll know it didn't happen fast. It happened faithfully. So remember, your pace is perfect. Your roots are growing. Your story matters. Believe in your bamboo. And when the time is right, rise.